Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. Yes, that's right people, I'm in the middle of the road again, but I am on a safe traffic island. It's the big week this week, it's the week that everybody waits for, it's the week when the Blackpool Illuminations are turned on for the first night in what's going to be, is it 4 months? September, October, November, December, yes. 4 full months of illuminations magic all over the town of Blackpool. We're going to go and take a look at one of the new installations for this year. It's the new Spitfire display, which is on Gin Roundabout, directly in front of me. This is Queen's Promenade here, heading towards Cleveland and Fleetwood. And we saw a preview of it at the press preview day at the Lightworks depot up at Squires Gate when we made that other video where we interviewed Lawrence Llewellyn-Bowen. If you've not seen it, you need to catch up on that one. But at the time, there were 2 of the 3 planes, and now there are 3 of the 3 planes, and it's all in place and it's all complete. So I'm going to take you across onto the roundabout. We're going to go and have a close-up look at it. So meanwhile, don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications, and don't forget to give the video a like. Let's go and see what we can see. So this is Queen's Promenade as you head towards Cleveland and Fleetwood and Bispam and whatnot. This is Blackpool's Jubilee Gardens, just at the back of the wall. This is a little electricity substation for the trams and the illuminations and whatnot. And that's the main road up to Blackpool. So this is the main Promenade Road to central Blackpool, and this is Gin Roundabout. And I happen to know there are no cars coming, so we're going to scoot across and we're going to go and take a look at this super duper place. And of course it's sponsored by Airfix, and it does look exactly like a great big Airfix plane kit. It's rather fabulous, I have to say. That's better. At this time of day, it's 1:30. At this time of day, we've got the light on the right side of it so we can have a proper look at it. And speaking of lights, you'll remember from the previous video that these columns that rise up from the floor at the back of the plane are all illuminated with neon strip light. And these amazing planes have been 3D printed at Lightworks. They've been made here in Blackpool by the Illuminations team, designed in collaboration with Lawrence Llewellyn-Bowen, the ambassador for the lights, the designer for the lights. And these represent Progress 1, 2 and 3. So not only were these beauties made here in Blackpool, the original Progress 1, 2 and 3 planes were fundraised and paid for by the people of Blackpool. And you can see there on that one, look, it says Progress 3 on the side of the body. I'll give you a little walk round it from each angle. So this will be unveiled on Friday the 1st of September, which is this Friday, at the Illuminations switch on. And you'll see it lit up and beautiful. It's probably going to be lit up actually tonight for Ride the Lights, because I'm filming this on Tuesday of Ride the Lights Day. And did you know, if you look on Google Maps actually says that this is Spitfire Island. So there you go, we've got our own little acknowledgement on everybody's favourite mapping resource. And if you really like it all that much, you can call into the Tourist Information Centre on Blackpool Promenade and you can get yourself a limited edition Blackpool Spitfire scale model. There's a limited edition of 4,000. They're only available to buy in the Tourist Information Centre on the Promenade. And when they're gone, they're gone. When they're gone, they're gone. And it's got the Blackpool livery as well. It's a properly Blackpool plane. Can't get them online, can't get them in shops. You can only get them at the TIC. So I think that looks rather magnificent, I have to say. Let's take a little total across here and we'll turn around and have a long view of it from the other side of the roundabout. And there you go. There's the new Spitfire Island display. Brilliant. Well done, Illuminations, Lawrence Llewellyn Boyne and Airfix. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed. Make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications. And don't forget to give this video a like. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.